May calls for Christmas cookies ice cream. Christmas cookie ice cream for everyone. When it's cold, you eat ice cream in a coffee mug, so you have a handle to hold it with, and it's not freezing your hands.
So where are the cows?
Oh, there's not cows in here. They're just on the front. Thought there were cows. That kind with the cows though is good. What kind is that? Here, I'll get you a stool.
The cows and they have peppermint on.
Yeah, what was that brand? Oh, that was really good, y'all. It's peppermint. Like the little cows have peppermint inside of them. What was that brand?
Cows tracks.
Prairie, was it Prairie something or was it, I don't know, but it's good. There you go.
That comes hard to get out.
Yeah, Bluebell is, woo. Wait, I was giving you another scoop. I was just having to run some hot water over this real quick. There you go. What do you think, Miss Turkey? Is it supper time for you? Alright y'all, we're back inside. I got changed real quick because after I get these eggs washed up, we're going to go to TJ Maxx and probably Bell's Outlet. I know Cece's going with me. I don't know if any of the boys were wanting to go or not.
Well, Jonah did pick a new movie that me and Jonah want to watch.
Y'all want to watch a new movie? Okay. We'll probably just get something and bring it home for supper on our way back. Titus is already home today. He's working on the beans this afternoon. I think he already finished all the wood trim stuff. He's doing the beans now.
Did you know that Santa has a secret agent? He's tailored to James May.
Oh, that's funny. I should get this to wear to the family Christmas party on Christmas Eve. What do you think? Yeah. Oh, look at that vest. Flamingos. Most likely to eat all the cookies. Most likely to wait up for Santa. Those are cute. Oh, that's a pretty picture right there. Holiday coffee collection. Look, a fun movie night kit. Movie night for two. I am hungry. That's pretty. $12.99. That's pretty big too. $12.99. I'll show y'all how big it was. These are cute. How much is this set? $14.99. It's a Wonderful Life, the official Bailey family cookbook. That's fun. It is $12.99. Now, TJ Maxx.
Come, all ye faithful, joyful and triumphant. Come ye to Bethlehem. Come and behold him, born the King of angels. Come, let us adore him. Come, let us adore him. Come, let us adore him. Christ the Lord.
must be in. Are these big tall giraffes in or something? This is the second one I've seen this year. Oh, that one's not as big as the other one, but yeah. I've been seeing a lot of those. Hey, where are their books? I need to see if they have any Christmas books.
Sing choirs of angels, sing in exultation, sing all ye citizens of heaven above.
It is time to make candy cane crunch. This year we're gonna do something a little different. We're gonna add some of these pretzel sticks since we have a multitude of them. So I'm not sure if you could keep calling it candy cane crunch then. There are lots of different crunch recipes, especially around the holidays. There's probably another one that already has the rice checks, pretzels, candy canes, and the almond bark, but we'll call this Prancer Treats Candy Cane Crunch because Prancer loves pretzels. So it is 10 o'clock, and as you can see, this oven is not plugged up. It's nothing going on, because if it's just plugged up, like not even turned on to bake anything, just plugged up, that broiler thing on top smokes like crazy, and even the bottom is not working, which is really weird because y'all remember if you missed yesterday's video, I'll link it down below. The broiler on top is what was burning up, but for some reason now the bottom doesn't work at all. It just, the top gets extremely hot. I don't know. Anyway, good news. We were able to find a new one that will be delivered tomorrow. Hopefully. I'm still hoping for that, because sometimes stuff will say that it's going to be here, and then they'll say there was a delay or something crazy will happen, but hopefully it's going to be here tomorrow. Thankfully with Candy Cane Crunch, you just need a microwave. And I think we'll just need about 4 candy canes and just half of this pack of almond bark. This is really quick and easy to make. I think we might need just a little bit more than half of it. Let me cut a little bit more off here. That should do it, so we'll leave about 4 squares from that pack. We just heat it for 30 seconds, stir it, 30 more, until it's melted, and I'll get our big gingerbread man bowl. A whole bag of rice checks, it's 12 ounces. And I'm just going to put in some of these pretzels. I'm not going to break them up because when we stir it, they're going to break up a little bit anyway. We'll just do about 2 handfuls. You know what? I didn't think about that. We might need a little bit more of the almond bark since I'm adding pretzels this time. We'll throw in 2 more squares. And we'll chop these candy canes up in the little mini food chopper. I know I say this every year, but I hate opening candy canes. They are not the funnest. We need a new method of candy cane opening. Look, I might have just found one. That one had a little spot on the side where you could tear it. That's what we need. The hardest part is opening the candy canes. Okay. Pour in the candy cane pieces. And then mix that around a little bit. And we'll pour over the almond bark. And just mix it. That's it. I'm going to lay out, I think I'm out of parchment paper, but have some foil or something. I'll lay something out that we can pour it out on to dry. Then you break it apart, put in containers, and put some name tags on it. Number 5, that's it. Let's see what's in there. What is that? Oh, I think it's a scarf. Yeah, it's to make the scarf for the snowman. Breakfast delivery, gravy biscuits, and steak biscuits. Alright y'all, it's the next day. We're about to take the candy cane crunch that we made last night and put into these little containers. I got these from, I'm pretty sure these were from TJ Maxx. Oh, it probably has it on here. Maybe it was Belle's Outlet. I'll pop it up on the screen. But anyway, we're gonna put the candy cane crunch in these, and I think I'm gonna use a little bit of tissue paper to put in there first, then put the candy cane crunch and then tape that closed with a little sticker or something. We'll see, but first I'm gonna show y'all some of the stuff that I got from TJ Maxx and Bell's Outlet. I got these from TJ Maxx. I thought it would be really pretty to put on some of the gifts that we wrap, and we needed string to hang up our ornaments that we made. I thought this was Martha Stewart, but this one's not Martha Stewart. This one is cupcakes and cashmere. This one, I think, is Martha Stewart. Maybe not. It was sitting with a bunch of Martha Stewart things. This one just says Aspen. But aren't they so pretty? I especially love how this one's on the, they're so pretty. Those were from TJ Maxx, and then this was from Bell's Outlet. I got everything mixed up in this bag, so I'm pretty sure I'm telling y'all the right places. I know I got this one from Bell's Outlet. It's The Biggest Little Boy, A Christmas Story. This was ripped right here, but it's just the, you know, outside thing anyway. We can just take that off. We'll go ahead and take it off. But it was only $5.99. Then this, where did I get this from? TJ Maxx. It was $3.99. It is paper activity placemat. Sorry, Titus is out there working on those beams this morning and it's kind of loud. These were from Bell's Outlet. Kitchen towels here. Oh, and I got these from Bell's Outlet. They're little reindeer straws. They're reusable. Aren't they adorable? Can y'all see that? Look at that. That is so cute. Yeah, this is from TJ Maxx. This one's a Martha Stewart thing. It's just tissue paper. And I got this pack of gift boxes. They're all the same, just this design here. So I'm gonna put this stuff up real quick and we'll package up the candy cane crunch. I'm gonna wash these and dry them real fast. They have Santa and a little reindeer peeking at you. Time for another 25 Days of Christmas Prancer giveaway. This time, you got a chance to win this beautiful stand mixer. Now, these come in various colors, so depending upon where I'm gonna be shipping this to, wherever the winner lives, it may be a different color. So you might get to pick the color. We'll just see how that goes whenever we find out who the winner is. So how do you enter? We've got another trivia question for you. In the famous Christmas cartoon, Rudolph the Red-Nosed Reindeer, Hermie the elf doesn't want to make toys. Let us know in the comments down below, what does Hermie want to be? And you'll be entered into the giveaway. This is another quick one. You only have 24 hours to enter, so until 7:30 tomorrow night, Thursday, December 21st. We ended up getting almost 2 full gallon-sized bags of the candy cane crunch. This is the one everybody's been eating, so I'll just sit it over here. We'll probably end up making another batch. It's so good, y'all. And adding the pretzels this time made it even better. These are fun to make to give out to people at work or church or family, friends, neighbors. So we've got it in there. We can put a little piece of tape to tape it down.
The gingerbread house. Oh?
Yeah, tic-tac-toe. Oh, there's a gingerbread house on the back of the tic-tac-toe one. Is that the one you want?
Yeah.
Okay, here we go.
It's Christmas, when the snow starts to fall. Then you know it's Christmas for the children above all. Then you know it's Christmas, 'cause Santa's on his way. We stand under the mistletoe, and then it's Christmas Day. The joyful times we witness forever stays with us. Soon Rudolph hears his whistle and gathers all his friends. When Santa